Last time we put a rear sway bar on the Mazda 3. Made a huge difference. If you haven't seen that video, please check it out. But unfortunately, when we lifted the car up, we noticed that my rear shocks completely blown. They were leaking. This car will not pass inspection, and that's the goal here. We checked the fronts. They seem fine. Hopefully, we can do this all in one day. Let's see.
Oh, we got it. We can do it in one day. None of this stuff is hard.
Hey, we looked at some videos. It's only like 3 bolts per shock. So
it'll be easy.
It'll be easy. Obviously, gotta take the wheel off. For the shock, we have 2 nuts at the top, 1 big bolt at the bottom, and then we just pull it out. And then in theory, we'll just put in the new shock into the top holster here, into the mount, sorry. And then we just put it all back together.
So you're saying it'll take like 2 minutes, but it'll be easy.
We're gonna find out.
We're gonna find out.
we're gonna find out.
Oh, we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out.
Hold on, let me get the light.
Oh, hell yeah. Light, bro? Bro, light, bro? Dude, bro, light?
Right.
Oh, holy moly. Look at this.
Holy there's an issue. So I don't know if the XLGs just came with the shock itself.
I wonder if we can just go grab this at O'Reilly's or whatever.
Yeah?
Because it might be the same part for like 50 cars. And whenever there's stuff like that, they have it usually.
Here we are. Obstacle number 1.
I mean, we can always put this back for today because it's the way it is. It's not going to be worse.
Well, I'm 100% fine with going to O'Reilly's and seeing if they have them now.
Yeah.
Since we already had the wheel off, we might as well just do it now. We're doing an unboxing. Rock Auto said it would get here in 5 days. Came in 1. Can't complain. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's take a look-see.
Or nobody cares about that. Where's your magnet? What magnet did you get? Where's your magnet?
Oh, there's a magnet.
Oh, you got a 300ZX. Oh, it's folded.
That's
it's
overwhelming
folded.
sadness. Overwhelming sadness.
You got a cooler magnet than I've ever gotten on the first try.
Pretty cool. Made in Japan. Very cool.
That is so annoying. You see my magnet collection over here?
Oh, do you have a magnet collection? Oh, you do? That's great.
I have like some kit car. I got like a bunch of Jeeps. Nobody likes Jeeps, they're stupid. I got a cool like 5-lug taco. And then like some more stupid cars. It's damn. Oh, I guess I have an MG.
And then I get a Z.
And an IROC Z. Ridiculous.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, there you go.
Yep.
And it comes with a singular bolt for the top there.
Nut, but yeah.
Sorry, nut, yeah. Okay. But alas, no boot or whatever at the top.
No bump stop.
No bump stop. So
we need to.
We'll, I guess, head over to the hardware store. Hardware store. Da, 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 da. Remember that, kids? Weird Al? No?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Yeah, the Weird Al hardware store song.
Hardware store song. It was a great one. It was a banger.
You can see we got the old 12mm socket out. And undid these 2 nuts off of these studs. The shock is completely just blown. It has no.
You can literally move it.
It has no more gas charge.
It has nothing.
And then this is just this bump stop.
Not
is disgusting.
ideal. No.
This is terrible.
Yeah, that is literally disintegrating.
So hopefully they have these at a store nearby.
Yeah, because unfortunately I need to take this car home today, so it will be what it will be.
Yeah. It hasn't been that hard to do so far, so if we do
No, so far so good.
If we have to do this again later, it won't take that long.
Yeah, not a huge deal.
Especially once you do a job twice, it's
in theory
usually easy.
All right, the bottom one.
So this one is a nut on a bolt. So we need 1 wrench to hold the nut still. Oh, I need a socket actually. Because it's like in here, unless it's tack welded. Maybe it's welded to it. Ooh, that does feel like a weld. All right, well, let's try just backing this out then. Yep.
Well, that just fell.
Hey, man. I don't think it could have been any freaking easier than this.
Can you compress it all? Well, there it is. All right.
Yeah, I don't think this is very hard, Ernie.
Yeah.
We're having an easy time on this side, at least. There's always the other side to ruin our lives, but...
Yeah, one side can ruin your day.
Look at that. Red Loctite. Some green stuff. I don't know what that is. If you're an expert, you can comment below. And then this looks like a damn 10. So we'll take this off,
Yep.
and then we'll be able to free this little bump stop. And then realistically, we could go in the auto parts store with just this bump stop thing and just be like, let's find one with a similar sized hole in it that's a similar height.
Yeah. So
And
honestly,
we'll
we
just
should
go
probably
in the
just do
back.
that. Yeah.
And just try to find it.
Yep. Love it.
I hear the pitter patter of Nook feet. That means it's lunchtime.
Food.
Woo! Has this ever happened to you? Have you been facing feelings of inadequacy lately? Well, now we have these. It's the same, but it's like not broken.
Yeah, 22 years younger, which is perfect.
Oh. That's topical.
That is topical.
Anyway, we're gonna put these on.
Yep. We have new things to play with. Great. And the good news is, just pop right out.
Yep.
So in theory, is there anything special we have to do for that to go in? Just rips it immediately.
Get in there.
A cookity.
In there like swimwear.
I mean, to be fair, once we actually put it in, it'll probably settle itself anyway. Once it's under tension and stuff with the actual shock in it. I'm assuming.
It'll be fine.
All right, so we're trying to get them on, but they're surprisingly difficult to actually put on.
Just look at the thickness. Like this ridge clearly fits
Yeah,
this.
you can see there's a ridge
like-
in there, and there's can't find any other videos of people having this exact problem. We're trying to lubricate it,
This
but
is like so bad.
okay, we said screw it, and we're just going to use the
Yeah, I'll just do it again.
we're just going to use the cover from the last one.
Actually, that's not that easy to get out. Which
Good.
is fine.
Which is great.
I don't care.
Good.
This is good actually.
Yeah.
So this is the kit that we got. What is the FM?
So this is the
whatever?
FM 1609 by Master Pro.
Yeah, and just these that it comes with, as we showed earlier, are
Yeah. Use the. Agreed. That was by far the hardest thing we had to do today, which honestly is a great thing.
yeah. Let's get the KYB out
Reassemble.
and put it all back.
Oh.
Yep. So obviously we can't put this on until we take off the strap, but we want to stick this inside the wheel well before we cut the strap.
Yeah, because we want to keep the tension on it. Otherwise, when you cut this, doo, pew.
Yeah, because it's a gas charged
Yeah.
type shock.
So I'm assuming we'll do the bottom first.
Yeah, so we'll stick it down in there like that. We'll cut this, and then we'll put it all, which we'll just do right now.
Let's.
Because nothing is
do
stopping
it.
us from just proceeding.
Well, hold on. I realized we shouldn't have used that one.
Why not?
We should have used this one.
Oh, it's probably easier to take the aluminum thing off than it is to get this back out of here.
Yeah. Well, here you go. No, it's fine. I'd rather leave it in. See it? Great.
So if you buy the same bump stop kit we did,
The FM 1609 by Master Pro.
just throw the bellows that came in there away and use the stock ones because they actually fit in there.
You can actually put it on with force. I want to put it on with force. That's good. The other one was literally impossible. We were thinking about taking a Dremel to it, but we didn't want to compromise it. This is actually an improvement over the other one. Yeah.
Here we go.
And there you go.
That's all you do. It doesn't suck at all.
No.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, here we
So
go.
this goes back in here.
Let me grab light.
So it goes right here, and we'll just drop it down here so that we can fit the whole thing in. And then we'll get some cutties, some snippies, some snippy snippers,
Some snipperinos.
some
Snipperdoodles.
snippo, snippums, some snippy lippigums, some snipperoos. Oh, look at all these snipperdoodles. This should be good enough. Doesn't look like particularly tough plastic.
No. Not really a kaplow.
Oh,
Not that dramatic.
I thought it would be a little more kablowy than it
A
actually
little more
was.
kablow, but honestly, I won't complain.
No, that's fine.
You can see it's rising ever so slightly. So we'll go ahead and put that on. It should come out the top.
Which okay.
Well, there's a little cap on it, right? You took that off, so make sure you take your little cap off. And then in theory, it should just pop out the top there, right? Hey.
Oh, there it goes.
Aha, great. Let me get the bolt. Well, the bolt is in a little bag. Great, and then it was a 13. Heck yeah.
It was, but this, I don't know what this size is. And then we're gonna need that ratcheting wrench and the crescent wrench. So let's see, is it still this size? Oh, maybe it is still a 13. Oh, it is now a 12.
Great. Now, generally you'll need a crescent to hold the actual thing in place while you screw it in, because otherwise it'll just spin inside it.
Yeah, like if you look at the top here, you can see that they spin together. So I need to go get a 12 of this if there's not one hanging out on the floor or something. Get the old crescent out. And this is about yay big.
Oh God.
This kind of sucks because the rubber
Is in the way.
I don't know how tight this is supposed to be. I don't want to round the top of this off too much. Every time it slips, it'll round, so. What's the best tool? It's got like some...
What the hell? Oh, yeah. I mean, that looks...
Yeah, if that's not tight enough, then
I think we're good. Up she goes.
Oh yeah, there's a little hole in the...
More towards outside. Yeah, there you go. All right, so now we're just trying to... It's hard to get an actual shot of where it sits in, but...
Just trust us. There's a bolt in there.
Yeah. Source, trust me, bro.
Yeah, it kind of looks like it is in there almost. Oh, and then this is way better looking up there now.
Yeah.
It's like actually up in there.
Yeah, looks great.
Okay, freaking sweet and stuff. They make guns for that.
No, let's grab the gun there, bud.
I concur, brother.
Here's your gun.
I love guns, man.
God,
I'm such a gun guy.
I'm a gun guy.
I'm into guns and gun accessories.
I accessorize my guns.
My guns are accessories
Oh.
to my own body. What is this, a damn 13? 13? That's too old for Trump.
Nice, you can hear the change.
All right, where's the old big one? 17.
Big boy. 17, too old.
Way too old.
Way too old.
Way too old, man.
They're starting to have thoughts. We can't have that.
All right, Ernie, it's a car.
I think that was one.
Except we have to do that again.
And now we're gonna do the other side.
Yeah.
And that's fine, we'll put the wheel back on and then do the other side.
Yeah. Oh, where's your nutties?
Nutties.
Where's your nutty boys?
Nutty boys, right there.
Okay, well, give them to me, gosh. 21, that's only going to get you into the DiCaprio files.
There's a file on everybody. My file is just sad. That Ernie guy, oh man. He has so many unfinished projects. Because he hates himself.
The Ernie files are just, he really wants to release an album, but never has.
But never has. And every time he does, he regrets it immediately.
He's like, I've never released any music. I need to just release something. Just anything.
And then I do, and I'm like, why did I do that?
You release it, and you're like, this is so bad, and then you delete it.
Like, why did I do that?
And then you're like, why haven't I released anything? It's like, well, everything you released, you deleted. Mm-hmm. Remember Somewhere to Go?
Yeah,
That was a song.
I'll put it back on.
No, you won't. You said you would years
I'll
ago.
remaster it at some point. I don't know.
No, you won't. Coward.
Yeah, it's not. All right, one side done. Only pain part, we figured out. We already have all the parts, so this next part should take, hopefully, no time at all. And we're done.
Yep.
As you cannot tell, because there's no light. So both sides done. Brand spanking new. So, because we finished in such a quick time, we still have plenty of daylight left.
Don't worry, I'm illiterate.
Don't worry, I can't read.
It's too deep in there, man.
How big do you think? You're doing great.
It really helps my confidence when you tell me I'm doing a good job.
I appreciate your feedback.
It really helps out the channel when you tell me I'm doing a good job.
By the way, if you haven't already, please sign up for the member.
You're thinking I'm gonna edit a video at all.
Yeah, watch this. It'd just be like 50. It's just an Instagram post.
You know, I've been thinking,
Yeah.
I don't think there's any God.
Oh, yeah?
I think when we die, there's nothing.
Damn kids and their clips.
You can just like gently squeeze on them.
Release me from this prison. Squeeze the nipple.
It feels substantially different already.
Wow!
Yeah, it would have been more obvious if we'd done this before the sway bar, because now they're...
Yeah, exactly.
It's never really gonna feel like nice and
To me,
flush.
I'm not gonna be looking for this. What I am gonna look for though is imperfections in the road. Not like a pothole, but you need to find a big pothole. We're vroom-vrooming. All right, girl, well, I love you. Drive safe.
Make sure you listen to our new single on repeat. Okay, bye.
It will do.
Make sure to listen to Everyday People.
Everyday people on any platform. Write me down.
Make sure to listen to the new single.
By everyday people. Write me down.
That's
Playing
right.
everywhere. Write
It's
me down.
called
By
Write
everyday
Me
people.
Down. By Everyday
By
People.
everyday people.
Everyday People, write me down.
Write me down. Write that down. It's write me down by everyday people.
Write that down. So is it worse now, Ernie?
Oh no, it's definitely better. We went over some potholes now, and it's definitely a lot better. I used to hit potholes and think I would hear like the clinking and feel it really rough because I used to have stuff in the back. I had the new shocks in the back for the last couple weeks, and I actually think it was probably just because the shocks were blown. Now, to be fair, I don't have the shocks in the back anymore, but it does feel better. It has to feel better, and so maybe I'm expecting it. But like, here's another bump. Yeah. It feels like how a car should feel like.
I mean, there was a moment in the previous
Yeah,
video
that's
where
fine.
we went over a bump and there was a ka-thunk.
It was a notable. Yeah,
And I feel like that's gone.
Here's another one. It's fine. It is absolutely
It's definitely better than
fine.
it was.
100%. 100%. So, and to be fair, I think it's the easiest